Let's be honest here. There are no tips that can make you have a full body glow up in 2 days or a week, unless, well, of course, plastic surgery. But there are tips that can help you change your entire appearance from head to toe, and those are the tips I'm about to teach you. Now, mind you, these tips are not how to lose weight in a day kind of tips. They're simply meant for you to change your appearance into a pretty you. The first and probably most important tip is take care of your oral hygiene. I'm sure you probably know why this is important. Imagine talking to someone and you can feel your own hot air breath. Yo,
what's going on, bro? What's going on, bro? Nothing, bro. Nothing. I'm good, bro. You good? What you about? You smell that?
You can't look like a goddess with your appearance and chase people away with a mouth odor, so your oral hygiene should be very important. So start by oil pulling before you brush your teeth. So to oil pull, pour a generous amount of coconut oil in your mouth and squish it for about 15 minutes. This will help soften the plaques on your teeth and make them easy to get rid of when you brush your teeth. After oil pulling, brush your teeth with a fluoride toothpaste. Make sure you're brushing your teeth properly. You don't want to have an odor barely 1 hour after brushing. Additionally, you can use a tongue scraper to get rid of the food particles on your tongue. Aside having mouth odor and yellow teeth, it is embarrassing to have a white tongue. Other helpful tips that can help you have the perfect teeth is the baking soda hack. This is where you brush your teeth with baking soda. This will whiten your teeth with time. Do this once or twice every week. Another hack is the cloves water hack. Soak a generous amount of cloves for about 3 days and drink it every morning after brushing your teeth. Cloves contain eugenol, which helps strengthen your teeth and gum and prevent bad breath. I'm stressing on improving your oral hygiene because having poor oral hygiene literally decreases your confidence and aura. We can all attest to the fact that taking a deep, clean bath can give you an instant glow up and make you feel good. Sometimes all you need is one deep core cleaning bath, so let's hit straight to the shower. The first step of the deep core cleaning is to dry scrub your skin. This has been found to give the dead skin cells living on our body an eviction note. You can dry scrub your whole body except your face and neck. Remember to go mild on your skin when scrubbing. You do not want to damage your skin. While bathing, use a sweet scented body wash. Part of an instant glow up is smelling good. While you still have foam on you, this is the best time to shave your legs, armpit, and your groin areas. Shaving while wet minimizes itching and cuts, especially if you use a shaving stick. Once you're done, don't forget your face. Go ahead and do your usual face cleansing routine. I'm not going to tell you how to do that because what works for you might not work for someone with a different skin type. Don't forget to pay attention to places where you tend to sweat a lot. Take time to bath those places well. After that, rinse your body thoroughly. On days which I enjoy showering, I apply body wash over my body and bathe again. This is optional. After bathing, drench your body with some sweet scented body oil. Make sure to do this while your body still has some moisture. This will literally give your body a glowy shine than a bald man under the sun. Then onto your skincare. Once again, go ahead and do your usual skincare routine that works for you. Then, this is where we spice things up. Go ahead and change the shape of your eyebrows. You can go to a salon, or if you're a DIY girly, you can do it at home. Shape them to fit your facial features. If you're indecisive of what shape you want, you can find inspos on Pinterest and TikTok. Make sure you're doing it well because you wouldn't want to walk around looking like a clown. This next step is essential but optional. It is facial massaging. This has gained popularity recently, and people see instant results through lymphatic drainage. This is where they massage their lymph nodes for about 10 minutes to slim down puffy face and eye bags. This can be done with either a gua sha or with your own hands. Another hack I've seen is where they wrap a hair tie or rubber band around their ear, and after about 5 minutes, they see major difference in the facial structure. So if you want to instantly improve your facial structure, I would recommend this for you to try. With makeup, it's easier to change your appearance and add a glow to your face. Remember that the purpose of makeup is to complement your facial features and not to hide them, so make sure to not overdo it. For makeup inspos to try, I would also recommend Pinterest, or you can copy that of your favorite celebrity. Make sure their facial features and skin tone resemble yours because you wouldn't want to walk around with whiter foundation and blush blindness. So, instead of your usual dressing style, you're going to wear a different style this time around. For instance, if you love to dress like a tomboy, try wearing something feminine today. If you also wear basic clothes, try changing it to textured aesthetic clothes and add accessories like string bows and cute pins to the dress. Don't forget to wear clothes which complement your skin tone. Some clothes makes you appear darker, while others make you appear brighter. Then add accessories to your whole outfit. They could be a cute belt with a fun buckle, a cute beanie, gold necklace, and cute bracelets. Make sure you love the end product. When you're done, add a squirt of perfume on your body. Looking good also means smelling good. Another special hack that can give you an instant glow is skin tanning. Most girlies do this, and honestly, it's like a real-life Snapchat filter. So find a tanning spray that suits your skin color and apply it all over your body. It is very convenient. Another tip that can help you change your appearance instantly is getting a nice haircut. With this one, I would recommend going to a salon and getting it done by a professional. Get a haircut or a new hairdo which you haven't tried before. Manicure and pedicure isn't left out. Get your nails done into a lovable design. Changing your appearance simply means adding finishing touches to your appearance and make sure you love how you look in the end. You could also dye your hair and eyebrows into a fun color which also suits your skin complexion. This is optional, but I would definitely recommend this. If you want to have the perfect clean girl look effortlessly, then tap on this video and you'll learn it.